Hello, Ryan Colcord here, realtor with Marples and Associates. If you have any questions regarding home ownership, contact me or join our next homeowner goals workshop. Information on the link below. We are here at 4820 Ridgeview Drive in Antioch. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath house. Nice layout, over 1,650 square feet. All right, you get your dining living room combo here. Vaulted ceilings. Access to the backyard. Come into the kitchen area. Family room, eating area. It's got a little bit of a eating nook. In the backyard, nice amount of room here. Some fruit trees. Dog run over there. You got the washer dryer hookups here. Half bath here. Three-car garage. Access to the backyard there. LVP flooring up in the top. Room number one's kind of like a little suite. Shouldn't say that as a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have bedroom 1 and 2, Jack and Jill set up. And then head on into the primary. Primary is a very good sized room. And there you have it, 4820 Ridgeview Drive in Antioch. Contact me to schedule a showing. This one's got a lot of interest.